first Slutty vegan meal. I got the one night stand, and I'm on my way home. I'm gonna go try it out. That place is so hype and it's lit. It's like the best vibes ever. Like everyone is hype and excited and just so welcoming. Alright guys, so I just came back from Slutty Vegan. This is my first time going there actually. It's here in Atlanta, Georgia. And I ordered the Timonade. I ordered a Timonade, which they say is a lemonade made by a guy named Tim. So that's why he calls it the Timonade. It has grapes, blackberry, blueberry, watermelon, lemonade, ginger, aloe vera, vinegar, Tornati flour, organic raw cane sugar, and alkaline water. So that sounds amazing. Can't wait to try it. And then I got the Slutty sauce, which is right here. Looks really good. And then of course the main thing I got is the burger. With fries, of course. Let me try the fries. Yeah, the fries are pretty good. Whoa. Sauce smells really tangy, like, I don't know how to describe it, but the fries is really good. It's really good. And now here is the burger. As you can see, it's really big. Then I have the sticker on there that says Slutty Vegan, one night stand. The name of this stuff is so cute. This sandwich actually comes with the sauce inside of it already. I just got it on the side because I read on Yelp that it's supposed to be like really good, and it's actually really good. Alright, here is the burger. OMG, it looks so good. Now I have the one with the Beyond Burger, vegan bacon, lettuce, tomato, onion, and what else is in here? Yeah, and of course the sauce. Doesn't it look so good? Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. All right, here I go, first bite. They didn't give me any napkins. Okay, that was really good. Now I can't really bite into the bacon. It's crispy and crunchy like real bacon. I cannot believe this is, oh, and vegan cheese. I forgot to mention it has vegan cheese. This sauce is really good. Take another bite. Okay. Are they sure this is vegan? Because it is beyond good.
Oh, okay. Okay. This is like really good.
And I've had Beyond Burger before, Beyond Beef patty before, and those are good too. I love that smoky, like real hamburger taste. They also have a vegan chicken sandwich there, and what else? Forgot what else they have, but this one is so good. I don't want the sauce getting all over me. That's why I still have it in the bag. Like, look at that vegan cheese. So good. I'm gonna try the lemonade. So I'm gonna try the lemonade. Okay. Wow. Very, very good. Oh my gosh, I like that. And it's not too sweet. You know, if you're like a Chick-fil-A fan, then you know how super sweet Chick-fil-A's lemonade is, but this is just right. Oh my gosh. I would definitely order this online somewhere today. Anyways, back to this delicious, and look how big, wait, look how big this burger is. It's huge. Look at the inside. All vegan. I don't want to be good. Okay. What? This tastes like a real burger.
And I'm not 100% vegan. Every month of the year, I do. What was that? Anyways, I do the Daniel fast, which of course requires you to eat an all fruits and vegetables and vegetarian meal. So I feel like I'm like pushing this in your face. But it's so good. I'm gonna do it everywhere. I'm gonna put it on my face.
So, okay, this is crazy. This like tastes like a real hamburger. Wow. Okay, so this is my review of the Slutty Vegan. I clearly enjoyed myself because it is completely gone. The sauce is gone, burger's gone, fries gone, and the drink is gone. It was absolutely amazing, and I would recommend it to everyone, even non-vegans, because I'm not vegan at all. But when I tell you, when you take the first bite, you have to look at it again to make sure it's not actually real meat, because it is that good. Every Friday, I like to treat myself to a vegan restaurant, and I had Googled and searched vegan restaurants here in Atlanta, and this one kept popping up in my recommendations on Yelp, and I saw that it was #1 Black owned. For some reason, when I see a place that's Black owned and very popular with really good reviews, I get really happy. So I was like, yes, definitely gonna go here, even though it took me about an hour to get there from work. It was still worth the drive, and then when I got there, it took me another 30 to 45 minutes in line. I mean, you know what? The line actually was not that bad. I think it was only like about 30-minute wait at the line. And some people were saying on Yelp that the lines are like about, what is it called? That they're about an hour or more. So I lucked out that I only had to, #1, wait 30 minutes. And I was able to find a spot right in front of the restaurant. So it's not a sitting and eat restaurant. It is actually a carry-out spot. So you come in, you order your food, you go down the line, you pick up your food, and you leave. That's how it works. There's nowhere to sit, there's nowhere to dine in. So that is one of the cons that I will give it. I will give it a con for that because I live with traffic and everything. I live about 30 minutes from it, which is not that bad. But if you are really trying to enjoy your meal, you want it fresh. You want it nice and warm when you get home so you can enjoy it. So by the time I got home, I had to heat up my fries because they start to get cold and I hate cold fries. So I had to heat that up. I would definitely say this restaurant needs to branch out. It needs, number one, a bigger spot because it started as a food truck. So that's a little bit better because before it was a food truck. Now that they actually have a physical like standstill restaurant, it's good. But still, there's nowhere to sit and eat. And sometimes I like to sit and eat my food, especially if I know I live 30 minutes from it and my food will get cold. So it wasn't an issue heating up the food, but still, it'll be nice to sit and eat once in a while. So I definitely will give it 5 stars. When I was in the line, pretty much everyone that was in line were from out of state. No one was like originally from Georgia or at least Atlanta. So there was some people from New York, Arizona, LA, like they were all visiting, and that was one of the spots they stopped at because it's that talked about. So I would definitely recommend when you bite into the burger, it is literally, if you're a meat eater and you love places like In-N-Out, becoming vegan definitely will be super easy if there was like more restaurants like Slutty Vegan, because I would be there every day. I would seriously eat there every single day. So that's definitely a place that I would recommend to come and eat at, is the Slutty Vegan in Atlanta, Georgia. I feel like they really need to take their name and run with it. They need to literally open up multiple spots all over the United States because it's amazing. This right here is officially my first video here on YouTube. Yay! So you guys make sure you subscribe to my channel.